Challenge 9. In this challenge, we must confirm the equality of two different values according to parameters a and b, and both the value and type of parameters must be equal. So we have challenge method, and so remove this, and we have object a and object b. So return, um, this is very simple, return a dot equals b, and so this is boolean, and so let's test the code. Challenge, for example, a and b, so this is must be false, and so challenge a and a, challenge 1 and 1, and challenge 2 and 2. Save, and so we should have false, true, false, true. Run. Sorry, in here we don't have console CW, and so copy this. I'm really sorry, and move semicolons and run, and we have false, true, false, true.